Here's a quick trick to close in the gap if you're welding something and you can't get a clamp on it. Get you a little hammer or a big hammer, you never know. But anyways, I was able to get a flat tack. Metal's pretty good and flat right here, but you can see the gap gets bigger and bigger all the way down. And what we're gonna do here is we're gonna tack and smack. I'm gonna start right here closest to the end so we don't leave gaps. Because if you start in the middle, tack it and hit it down, you're gonna have a gap right here in the middle. It's gonna trap it, so you have to work it out. As you can see, our gap is disappearing. And it also works too, even if you're just too lazy to go get some clamps. Whatever though.